So this is gonna be this is my room. So the elevators are on the left, way down there in the hallway. And it's not too far away. So here's my room. This is me. Hello, hello. Closet, mini fridge. Oh yeah, my room. Look at this. So this is the safe. This is the mini fridge with the nice cool stuff in here. We got some soda, Canada Dry, big bottle, water bottle. There's another one right here. There's a few smaller water bottles here. And of course beer. Dos Equis. Hell yeah. I had to pull out the mini fridge because obviously they get warm in there when they keep the door shut, so they need ventilation. So here's my room. It's a different layout from the standard rooms, and I am on the 16th floor. So here we go. My bed. RIU represent, baby. Yeah. Nice little couch, whatever. Bathrooms down there. And little TV. My little dresser. This is the bathtub. I think it's like a jacuzzi or something. I don't know. It's weird. But so this is the shower. Got 4 towels, which is enough for one person for me. I can get more whenever I can. This is the sink area. 2 sinks. Hello again. What's up? What's up? Yeah. And the toilets over there. Yeah. Little toilet separate from the shower, which is cool. And here's the thing. Here's the coolest thing ever. So I'm on the 16th floor. So I got 2 windows to the balcony. One is here and the other one is down there. This one doesn't open though, which kind of sucks because I thought it was. And this one does open. We're gonna go check out the view. Today, however, is cloudy and it rains on and off. Right now, there's no rain and it's a little windy today. When I arrived, it was pouring rain when I was landing. But now it's fine. It's just cloudy and rainy. So this is a huge balcony. It goes all the way from here, all the way to down there. Look at this. I have a huge balcony. I mean, gigantic balcony. And here's the view. From the 16th floor, room 1631, 1631. And I didn't have to wait for it. I didn't have to wait for check-in. As soon as I arrived at the front desk, they were like, "Oh, your room is ready." And boom, awesome. I think they're playing pool volleyball over there. I don't see a lot of people at the pools right now. I mean, I get it, you know, it's cloudy. And then there's the view of Cancun down there. They're building something here, probably another resort. Yeah. So 3 years ago, me and Vala, we stayed down there on the other side, further down there, same floor, just further down there. And this is on the other side. And 2 years ago, I stayed way down there on the first floor. Actually, right there, where the restaurants are, like on the first floor, somewhere there. Cool. Hell yeah. I'm enjoying it so far.